Hey, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have some exciting news, right? We're going to talk about the latest and greatest OpenAI, the new beta features of ChatGPT. Yes, you heard it right. ChatGPT is now more powerful and more versatile than ever before, thanks to its new website integration and plugin capabilities. So let's go ahead and dive in and explore these new features together. ChatGPT is the most popular AI chatbot developed by OpenAI, has recently announced some impressive new beta features. These features include the ability for ChatGPT to access the internet and integrate with various plugins. This means that ChatGPT can now perform more complex tasks, access specialized database, and bring in current information from the internet. Let's take a look at how we can enable those settings. We just need to scroll right down here to our account. We need to go into settings. Just keep in mind that you need to have the pro version of ChatGPT to be able to access these features, these beta features. So we need to go under this section right here, beta features, and we need to enable web browsing, and we also need to enable plugin. Once those two settings are enabled, you now have access to the new features of ChatGPT. Just need to switch over here to ChatGPT 4, and we need to, right now it sets at default. We can put it to either browsing or plugin. So one of the most exciting new feature is the plugin integration. With over 70 third-party plugins now available, you can now customize your ChatGPT experience to suit your needs. Whether you're looking to check the weather, book a flight, find deals, or look up recipe, there's a plugin for that. To install a plugin, you just simply need to visit the plugin store within the ChatGPT settings and select the plugin you wish to use. So right here under the ChatGPT 4 section, we have browsing and we have plugin. Let's go ahead and click on the plugins. Here, these are a list of all the plugins I have downloaded so far. You can scroll at the bottom, click right here where it says plugin store. On the store will pop up, and these are all the available plugins. They are separated by popular, new, all, and install. If you go to all, you can take your time and browse through each of these plugins, and you can download anyone that you believe will be beneficial to you. Another groundbreaking feature is the web browsing capability. This allows ChatGPT to browse the internet to answer your questions more effectively. Instead of relying solely on its initial training data, ChatGPT can now provide up-to-date information from the web. So let's go ahead and give a little test run of using the internet and also using the plugins. Let's go and enable the browsing. Let's go ahead and type in our prompt. Gonna ask what happened in the news today in New York. It's gonna, as you can see here, it says searching the web, New York news, May 20, May 22. May 22, 2023. So it's checking around on the internet. So we're just gonna have to wait and give it some time. I guess it's a lot of news. Okay. As you can see here, we have the output. Here are some of the notable news stories from New York today, May 2023. And it lists off a couple of stories. Okay, as it says, basically these are highlighted stories. Okay, let's go ahead and give the plugins a try. Hey everyone, we got some exciting news. Our brand new merch store is officially live. So if you like the kind of content you see here and you would like to support me, all you need to do is go to gosupernick-shop.forwall.com, and here on our homepage you can see various merch for our different channels, such as the gaming, the tech, our clips channel, and also my personal merch, the BoldWare. Under the Tech Galore section, you can see merch such as hoodies, mugs, coffee cups, mousepad, t-shirts, hats, and so much more to come. I will place that link down below in the description. If you don't feel like purchasing anything, you can always go ahead and make a donation right here. Just keep in mind that donations are not mandatory, but donations are much appreciated. Once again, I will place that link down below in the description. Thank you. New ChatGPT 4. Let's go to the plugin section. Let me see. We're looking for a specific, I'm looking for a specific plugin. Where is it? Is it this? Okay, this right here. I want to get a transcript of a YouTube video, so I can take this off. Okay, let's go ahead and look for any YouTube video. Okay, this one right here, Shannon Sharp.
A lot of times,
let's go ahead and cut that. I'm going to say, can you transcribe the following video with that YouTube link? Let's go ahead and wait for the output. As you can see, the plugin is not active. It's saying it's using VoxScript. Okay, there you go.
and dog, people look at things and like you can have like.
You see that right there? So as you can see, that was correct. A lot of times, that's how Shannon just begin. Okay, I'm going to stop that right there. So in conclusion, these new beta features significantly expand how people can use ChatGPT with the ability to access the internet and integrate with various plugins. ChatGPT is more powerful and versatile than ever before. So go ahead and try out these new features and let us know what you think in the comments down below. That's it for today's videos. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech updates. And remember, these features are still in beta, so there might be some changes as they continue to improve and refine the system. We'll keep you up to date with any new developments. Until next time, happy chatting.